If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Hershey company with the ticker symbol HSY. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for the Hershey company and the chart is looking very bullish. We have been inside of an uptrend since October of 2021. And right now we are getting extended for the EMA, so we could be due for a pullback, and this also looks like the end of an impulse. However, there's still some room for to continue higher before correcting back to the lower side, and I'll show you the reasons why. So let's take a look at this previous channel that was in play. This was fitting the price action very nicely. It's going to make it yellow, and then we had the first break of the pattern, which normally leads to a retest of the previous high in the form of two legs. So we did get that. So we had the first leg up right here, and then we corrected back down. Prices still went higher, so most likely it was making the second leg, and the second leg target is right at the 224 level. So that's where I think Hershey company is headed next for the price target. And that's also another measured move that gives me confidence that this target will be reached. You can see that this was the first leg up right here, and if I drag this over, so that was the first leg up. We had a correction, and this is the second leg up, and you can see that this measure move is also right at the 224 225 target. So this confluence there, traders are looking at both targets to get out of their position, and that's why this gives me more confidence that the price is headed higher. Let's also take a look at the micro channel that's holding prices up right now for this second leg up, and you can see that this orange channel is holding prices pretty nicely, and we haven't had a break outside of it either. So my target in the short term is a 225 level, and then from there we need to reevaluate what the price action wants to do, because we already had a break outside of this channel and two legs up to a new high. So we don't have to exactly reach the 225 level. We can come up a little bit short, or we can come up past it a little bit. It just gives you a ballpark estimate of where prices are headed next, and we'll have to reevaluate what price action wants to do once it gets up here. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart, and prices have been inside of an uptrend since March of 2020. We've been making higher highs, higher lows, and the EMA is acting as support and pointing up. So this is a nice uptrend. On the daily chart, you can see that this entire price action was the uptrend on the daily chart. So in the grand scheme of things, we're still in uptrend on the bigger pattern, which is the weekly chart since 2020. So let's take a look at this price action. And again, this is also a nice uptrend that prices are expecting. It looks like prices are in a two-tier channel. Let's go and make this yellow. So we are entering, or we are already inside of the second half of the channel on the top side, and we're getting very close to the resistance where we could get a bounce from the top of this channel and then see a bigger correction in play. Maybe something like this. So once we reach that 225 level, we might see a bigger correction back down, or at least some sideways action, and eventually prices will probably try to come to the support side of this channel. So everything looks pretty good for Hershey company. We're in a nice uptrend on the daily and weekly chart, so it's not like we have an uptrend on the daily chart and we turn to the weekly chart and we're in a major downtrend. So both charts are in an uptrend, so this is a long-term uptrend for both time frames. So the major pattern, or the major target I have, is the 240 target. That's where the measured move lies ahead. I don't know if we're gonna get there right away. Like I said, I'm expecting a bigger correction once we reach that 225 level. That would be healthy. So I'm always thinking of probabilities. The most healthy thing is to see a bigger pullback. We don't want to see a blow off top or a climax that could lead to a major reversal. So we don't want to see that. We want to see a bounce off this 225 226 level, a slow grind down to the support side of this channel, and then from there we see the impulses start back up to reach this 240 target. So that's what you want to see. You don't want to see a blow off top. that is very bearish, we can just reverse right away and start a downtrend. We want to see nice rejection and a correction back to the support side of this channel. If we come short of the target that I have, then we could get a breakout side of this channel. But even if we do get a breakout side of this channel, like I said before, like I showed you on the daily chart, we usually get 2 legs up to new high. So that's everything I have with the Hershey company. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised in what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.